Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, compass. Rediscover the joy of driving and